So, you want to learn bookkeeping. Merchandise Inventory. By Dave Marshall. Inventory records. The actual inventory transactions are initially recorded in the sales and purchases special journals and periodically posted to the general ledger accounts. A control account, a special general ledger account, is used that provides a summarized balance of the detailed balances of the individual records maintained in a subsidiary ledger. Subsidiary ledgers provide the detailed information about what makes up the balance in the control account. After posting all transactions, the balance of the control account and the sum of the detailed records in the subsidiary ledger should always be the same. In other words, a control account deals with summarized information while a subsidiary ledger deals with detailed information. When used with inventory, the control account is merchandise inventory control and the subsidiary ledger is often referred to as the inventory stock record cards. Does the balance of the subsidiary ledger always equal the balance of the inventory control account? No, the detailed stock records total will not always equal the inventory control account. The totals will only agree after the general ledger inventory control account has been posted from the journals. At the end of each accounting period they should always agree. The inventory control account and stock ledger cards are only used with the perpetual inventory method. The periodic method does use an inventory account but without a subsidiary ledger.